Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how to see your subscribers on your YouTube channel. Alright, so they made some changes and I'm gonna show you what works right now. Alright, so to do this, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and click on YouTube Studio. Okay, so they have added this to your channel dashboard. So just go down to this one, recent subscribers. Go and click on see all. So here you can see your subscribers. Only includes users who have made their subscription public. You can click learn more if you like to do that. And we can click right here to search subscribers from last 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, last 365 days or lifetime. Okay, so let's say I want to have lifetime, and to the left you see all the channels that subscribes to your channel. We can see the date when the subscriber subscribed to your channel. You can also sort by clicking on the date subscribed link from the latest to the earliest. Right, as you can see, my first subscriber that subscribed to my channel that shares their subscription public was on 2015 20 January. Right, you can see their subscriber count, and you can also sort the subscribers by their subscriber count. So if I click on this subscriber count link, we can see that my biggest subscriber has 493,000 subscribers and my smallest have 0 subscribers. So it's a fun way to see how many subscribers your subscribers has. We can also subscribe to the channel right here. Okay, so this is how you can find your subscribers on your YouTube channel in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.